Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are baking with Taquisha today. And today I'm baking some oatmeal coconut pecan cookies. But before we get started, please make sure that all your ingredients are at room temperature and that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, so I have a large bowl here and I'm throwing in 1 cup of granulated white sugar. And now I'm adding in 1 cup of light brown sugar. And now I'm throwing in 1 stick of Cup Butter Shortening, which is equal to 1 cup of shortening. If you can't find it, you can substitute it for 2 sticks of regular butter instead. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now I'm just mixing it up a little bit. And now I'm adding in 2 eggs. Okay guys, just keep mixing the cookie dough until it's nice and smooth. Okay, so in the first bowl, I have 2 cups of flour and I'm adding it to a big bowl. And then in the second bowl, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder mixture, and then I'm going to add that to the flour. So this is where I tried to experiment and do something new. I decided to last minute sift my flour ingredients to see if the cookies would come out a little bit fluffier, but it was a fail. It didn't have any effect on the fluffiness of the cookies, so you all can just skip this step if you would like. So all you would have to do is whisk the flour, the baking soda, and the salt and the baking powder together in one bowl. Okay, so now I'm combining the flour mixture with the butter and sugar mixture, and then I will continue to mix until it's completely smooth. Okay guys, so with the spatula, fold in 1.5 cups of quick oats oatmeal, a half a cup of coconut flakes, a half a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts or almonds or whatever nuts you would choose until completely combined. Drop 1 scoop of cookie dough onto the baking sheet with the medium-sized ice cream scoop, placing it about 2 inches apart. You should be able to get about 9 cookies at a time. Okay guys, so it's ready for the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. Thank you for baking with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.